What's up, peeps? My name is Zina and I am aging ethically. You may have noticed that there is a little change in my backdrop situation here on this channel. I have decided to try using a green screen. As you guys know, my channel is called Aging Ethically, and it is my great pleasure to share with you my version of a vegan lifestyle. Anyway, enough of that. This is going to be a lot of fun for me. There are going to be probably some flaws and stuff while I sort of fine-tune this process, but it's going to be a lot of fun. So thank you for continuing to watch, and thank you for being patient while I try new things. Now, I am going out later, so I want to do like a really kind of simple pin-up kind of a look for tonight. Using the Jeffree Jawbreaker palette, I'm going to try to accentuate my best features and minimize my flaws. I like to darken the crease of my eye because that's where I have some texture, so I like to put like a nice darker like shade in there and then blend it out. I'm going to take Tasty, this nice little dark brown neutral chocolatey tone, and I'm going to put it right in my crease. What that will do is hide some of my texture. I always want to go like upward with my brush strokes and with my hands, no matter what, if I'm putting on cream, if I'm doing contour, if I'm doing eyeshadow, I always want to lift up. Now I'm going right next door to Cone. I'm going to be taking a combination of both on my little flat brush, and I'm going to go right underneath my eye. I'm going to be grabbing the ultra shimmery Jawbreaker. It's a little rounded tipped brush, and I'm going to go right on the inner corner. Now I'm going to lighten the waterline with some white NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. And finally, I'm going to do a nice cute wing look with my eyeliner. I'm going to be using Milani Infinite Liquid Eyeliner. It's supposed to last 24 hours. I did use this yesterday and it does last quite a long time. In fact, it's kind of difficult to take off. Just soap and water isn't going to do it. You need like a makeup remover to get this product off of your eyes. But that being said, it lasts quite a long time. Gonna have to dunk it again. It's getting a little dry. Not really a huge fan of the brush tip on this product. It's not as fine as I'd like it to be, but it is doing the job. It's just not the easiest wing I've ever created. I'm going to put on a lash today. I'm going to be using the Ardell Natural Lash, and this is the number 120. I want to see what this lash looks like on my eye before I decide if I want to trim it or not. I have very large eyes, and sometimes a full size lash fits me, and sometimes it's just too big and bulky and you need to trim it down. Yeah, I think this one will fit just the way it is, so I'm going to take it off now and apply some glue. Using the PÜR Cosmetics Pro Eyelash Glue, I'm going to slap this little eyelash on my eyeball. Set it down right in the middle. To lift it up as I'm setting it in place. I know there are little tools that you can use to do this, but I don't know, I just like doing it with my fingers. I'm going to take some Milk Kush mascara, my most favorite mascara in the whole world, and sort of blend my own natural lashes with the fake lash. Lovely. And then I'm going to do the lower lashes. I appreciate the way this look sort of lifts my eye up and gives it like a snatched sort of illusion, whereas on this side, you know, nothing wrong with a naked face. I spend most of my existence without wearing makeup, but when I do apply it, I like to pull up my features and sort of defy gravity. Now I'm going to pop off camera and finish the other eye. Righty, and I am back. Are the wings identical? No, they are not. And I'm quite okay with it. Grabbing my classic blush, 10 color blush palette from BH Cosmetics, I am going to be applying a little bit of reddish hue to my cheeks. Not a lot, but you know, enough to make my cheekbones pop. Grabbing my favorite obsession, this is the Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in Diamond Wet. I absolutely love this for a highlighter. I also love this as just like a really quick eyeshadow. Like I'll just pop it right on my lids just for like, not a little shimmer, a lot of shimmer, but it's a really fun little glittery look that you can do quickly. And I love this. I absolutely love this product. It's the best highlighter I've ever purchased. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit on my brush. Now it's extremely glittery and it creates that really severe wet look, which is cool. Normally I would really go in with the highlighter, but I just want like a little subtle sheen like I have right there. I don't want any like, you know, clock it from outer space kind of glow tonight. Lovely, lovely. I'm going to take a little company called Gabriel, and I found this in a health food store called Sprouts, is what we have here in Arizona, and I absolutely love that store. I buy everything from Sprouts now, including some of my cosmetics. But of course, you know, produce, fruits and vegetables and all that great stuff I buy from there as well. But what I like about this is not only the shade is, actually I should tell you the shade, this is Wine, but it's a very creamy texture and it's really super easy to work with. Alright, I'm pretty satisfied with the liner, and this is Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Jeffree Who, or Jeffree Who. Now I like this because it's like a berry sort of shade. It really plays well with the Wine liner. And that's it, peeps. This is my mid-century pedestrian pinup look that I will be wearing this evening. Thank you all so much for joining me. It is my great pleasure to create these videos. You know, I'm going to be putting this makeup on anyway. Why not do it in front of the camera and throw a really fun background behind me and have a party with it. Thank you for joining me on my first green screen video. I really appreciate it. This is going to be a fun project for me from here on out. I don't know how this will play when I do green eye looks or use green lipstick, but we'll see. We can have fun with that too. It is Monday, so I hope you guys have a lovely week ahead, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!